Hello everybody. Today I will be making a sodium acetate by mixing baking soda and vinegar. Now, a lot of you may be thinking, wow, that's a very simple equation. Matteo, what are you doing? Well, I'll be making a more advanced equation with these two because usually when you mix these two, it makes kind of like a volcano effect. But when I do it, I'm going to start to make it crystallize and kind of make it into like a hot ice. So what you're going to need is you're going to need 1 spoon, water, baking soda, Arm & Hammer, I mean that's basically the only brand that sells it, clear vinegar, a liter of clear vinegar, and a saucepan to put it all together. And those are the materials I'll be using in this experiment. Now, to start the procedure, what I'll be doing is I'll be adding vinegar into the saucepan. Now, you don't really want to put too much, but you do want to put some. So, oh my god, that smells bad. Okay, so what you're doing is you just need to put enough to cover the skim of the saucepan. That will be enough. And wow, that smells strong. Okay. Okay. Now that you put your vinegar, you will want to put exactly 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Now, you're going to want to do this very slowly as well. You do not want to put too much baking soda, or else it's going to make that volcano effect, and that's going to make it into a simple equation. You don't want that. So you're going to need to put 1. That's it. Wait a little bit. Wait a little bit. Don't put too much. Got a little bit of volcano there. Not that much. Two. And 3. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to stir it up a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. Okay, and that will be the first part of our experiment. So now with the solution, you're going to just boil it over medium heat for about an hour. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix it little bit by little. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix it until I see a crystal skin on top of this solution. And when the crystal skin is there, that means that the solution is already starting to crystallize, and now we need to put it in the refrigerator for it to crystallize even further. So we're just going to need to mix it for about an hour. And then after that, when the crystal starts, that's it. So now I have boiled it for about an hour. This takes you about an hour on medium heat. I have made the substance, and what you need to do is you need to get the pot. You're going to need to put it in another surface. So I'm using a plate. Just scrape it all in there. And I have to get something to cover this surface. So this could be a plastic wrap, aluminum wrap, ceramic wrap. But what I have chosen to do is put another plate on it, because I don't have those things. And now, after you have done that, you will take it to your refrigerator and put it in there for about another hour, and then come back to it when it's done. And that is all for now. So this is the resulting solution. I have put a little bit of salt on it for it to crystallize and kind of liquefy. This is how it looks when it is done. You can kind of see that it is more softer than it was before, but you can kind of see the texture there. Now, let me explain to you the core physics of this project. Now, the chemical formula for this is Na in parentheses HCO3 in parentheses closed plus CH3 minus COOH, which is then transferred to CH3 minus COO minus Na plus H2O plus CO2. Now, if you pay close attention to that formula, you would catch H2O. which is water. Now, this reaction made water and salt, which is sodium acetate. Which makes it basically a neutralization reaction. I have the basic pH of the baking soda with the acidic pH of the vinegar, making it a neutralizing each other, making the salt and the water, which is one of the things about the project, or the reaction. And that will be all about the project. When I put it in the refrigerator, it made an exothermic process, which also helped solidify the ice, or the little mush here. That'll be all. Thank you for watching. So, that won't be all, actually. I have a couple other things to talk about the project. So, basically, my question of this project was if if vinegar and baking soda could mix, and if I heated it up, then refrigerated it, could it make sodium acetate? I tested the hypothesis, and apparently I added too much vinegar, making the mixture a little bit too soft over here. And that was basically a big error of this project, of this reaction. The reactants of the project were, the experiment were Na, sodium, then HCO3, and then CH3, and then the COOH. Then the resulting product would be CH3, COO, Na, which is salt, H2O, which is water, and CO2. Now, that will be all. Thank you for watching, for realsies. Bye.